King Kai lives. It's just gotta be. This is the place. I made it. Hey, what's the matter with the ground here? This is crazy. The more I try to fight against it, the harder it seems to pull me back down. No, it's no use. My body feels like it's completely filled with lead. Ah! I came this far. I can't give up.